Yesterday a box arrived, and I think it's the box from Jeffrey, because I'm the winner of the RCWB001. Point is, one of the points is this. But we're going to do an unboxing and see what Jeffrey delivered to us. Very well packed, Jeffrey. With lots of duct tape. Duct tape for the win. Ooh, looks good. Extra goodies. Look at that. Some extra tires. That's always nice. The booklets. With all, ooh, look at that. An official document signed by Jeffrey. Well, thank you very much. That's a nice touch. There is the transmitter. There are some extra goodies with the extra light bar, some extra wiring, and some tools. Thank you, Jeffrey. And the transmitter with the Bluetooth module. Okay, I'm going to put this. Am I? No, I'm not going to put this down. Here she comes. Ooh, look at that, another goodie. A Traxxas hat. Oh, look at that paint job. Oh, and some more goodies. Yep, he showed this in his video. He didn't use it, but he included it with the truck, so that's also very nice. The original sticker sheet of Traxxas. Also very nice. So it's getting better and better, people. But now, this. Right. Sheet is beautiful. Very, very, very nice paint job. It's one of a kind. But we have to check something, because is it the original RCWB001? We all know, we saw the movie or the video, that he punched the letters in here. I hope you can read this, perhaps upside down. Let me stand on the other side, or I can just turn it around, of course. There it is. RCWB001. It's all there, people. This is the one. So I'm very pleased, very happy. It looks fantastic. The paint job is awesome. It's like new. For now, as you can see outside, it's a bit white, so the weather isn't the best to have a go with it. Also, the batteries in the car are Traxxas originals. I don't have the Traxxas plugs on my batteries. I drive with XT60s, so I have to find some converters, and then we can go out. So this story will have a follow-up. See you then.